So Claude has a memory feature that lets it remember things about you across conversation, your preferences, and things you have mentioned before. By default, it's turned off, so here's how you can turn it on. Open your Claude AI and in the left down corner area, click on your profile. Now simply open Settings, and at the top you can see Memory section, and you can turn it on here on the right. Once it's enabled, Claude will start saving small notes from your conversations, things like your name, what you do, how you like responses formatted. You can actually see everything it remembers by clicking Manage Memory. It should be here. And you can delete anything you don't want it to keep. After more chats, you will see what Claudes know about you here. This is useful if you use Claude regularly and you are tired of explaining the same context every single time you start a new chat. Also, memory works only across new conversations, but it won't go back and remember things from before you turn it on. So that's basically how you can turn on memory in Claude AI. If you have any questions, leave a comment, make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.